Hello cuties, today we're going to read The Timid Little Kitten. Once there was a tiny tawny kitten. She had eyes the colour of bluebells and her tail and paws were tipped with white. The tiny tawny kitten was afraid of everything. She even backed away from beetles. She leaped from the sunny windowsill whenever a large beady-eyed pigeon decided to land on the ledge outside. She was even afraid of her own shadow. She jumped when she saw it moving on the garden wall. Quickly, the tiny tawny kitten scampered back to her little girl. "Silly kitten, you mustn't be afraid of everything," the little girl said. "I want you to grow up to be a big, brave tiger cat, and you will someday." The tiny tawny kitten liked things that were little like herself. She liked to lap milk from a small dish. She liked to curl up in a small basket. And she liked her little piece of string and her little catnip mouse. They were just right for tiny kitten games. The tiny kitten did not like big things. She did not like big boys on bikes or big yapping dogs. She did not like big trucks that rattled down the street. The tiny tawny kitten did not even like big cats. Sometimes a fat-faced Persian named Miranda came over the wall to sun herself in the kitten's yard. Miranda had a long feathery tail, very sharp claws, and a shrill meow. The tiny kitten did not want that fat, sassy cat to take over her yard. When Miranda was nearby, the tiny kitten hid under the hollyhocks. She did not come out even when Miranda chewed the tail off the catnip mouse. The tiny kitten was afraid. At night, the alley cats scrambled over the fence. They sat on the garbage cans and on the garden wall. They meowed to the moon and sang to each other. The tiny tawny kitten watched from the window. She watched the lean, lanky alley cats, the spotted meat market cat, the large grey rat-catcher cat, and the striped firehouse cat. And the tiny tawny kitten was afraid. But the tiny tawny kitten was most afraid of old Ebenezer, the big hound that lived next door. One day the kitten was sitting in her yard when, suddenly, she heard something moving through the grass. There was Ebenezer, 3 feet away. The tiny tawny kitten was very, very frightened. She arched her back and bristled her fur. She began to hiss and spit and wow. Suddenly, an amazing thing happened. The tiny tawny kitten sprang forward and smacked Ebenezer in the face with her tiny paw. Then another amazing thing happened. Old Ebenezer yelped "Oh!" and ran away. From that day on, the tiny tawny kitten grew braver. Ebenezer was large and noisy, yet he had run when she faced him bravely like a real tiger cat. And that is what the tiny tawny kitten grew up to be, a big, brave tiger cat, just as the little girl said she would. The end.